Hello, today I'm going to show you a nice comparison video by me for you. Today let me go to a comparison match with the premium smartphones on the market. These two premium smartphones are the Apple iPhone 15 Pro and the brand new Honor Magic 8 Pro. These both are premium smartphones, but completely different worlds they are at home. Today, the brand new Magic 8 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro. Let's go. A massive battery meets iOS optimized. A 200 megapixel camera goes up against Apple's video power. Which smartphone is actually the better smartphone in 2016? We will see 2026 or 2016. 26, I think. The iPhone 15 Pro features are design titanium frame, extremely compact design with 6.1 inches. A very premium hand feel, of course, so it's really compact, really good in the hand. And against the Honor Magic 8 Pro, on the other hand, the much larger, of course, heavier, but with a massive battery, futuristic curved design. That means you have compact and premium on one side, big and powerful focus on the other side. So you can choose what you prefer in this. Then, of course, the display. The Honor Magic 8 Pro comes with 6.17 inches OLED, 120 Hz refresh rate, extremely high peak brightness of a lot of pics. I think it was 6,000 nits. And the iPhone 15 Pro comes with 6.1 inches OLED, Super Retina XDR at 120 Hz, the same, and very natural color vibration. Then the Honor is brighter and bigger, and the iPhone is more natural and accurate colors designed. The performance of the iPhone 15 Pro is a good performance as well. The A17 Pro chip makes a good job, extremely strong in gaming and video editing, highly efficient with the iOS optimization. And the Honor comes with Snapdragon 8 Elite Generation 5. More RAM, of course, better for heavy multitasking. So that means we have one side the iPhone optimized performance and the other raw multitasking power. Then we have the battery and the charging. Honor Magic 8 Pro is their massive with around about 7,000 milliamp hour battery, 100 watt fast charging, 80 watt wireless charging. The iPhone 15 Pro comes with only 3,200 plus milliamp hour battery. Slower charging, of course, only 20-25 watt, but very efficient. So result is, of course, the Honor wins there. It dominates all of this. The camera are the king, maybe. The Honor Magic 8 Pro comes with 200 megapixel telephoto camera, 3.7 optical zoom, strong ultra wide and night mode, yes. The iPhone 15 comes only with 48 megapixel main camera, incredible video quality, best-in-class color science and skin tones. That means the photo, Honor, often more detailed, but video, iPhone clearly superior. So go to video quality. The iPhone wins there, of course, because more stable footage, better color consistency, and ProRes and Create features, of course. But the Honor comes with excellent in photo, but not Apple's video level is reached yet so far. Software is the iOS 17, 18 at the iPhone, extremely stable, best ecosystem. And the Honor comes with Magic Operating System 10, that's Android 16/17, and highly customizable, but slightly less consistent, of course. The iOS is stable and clean. And the other, the Honor, is Android, flexible, and of course, feature-rich. That means, which phone wins now? I think the iPhone 15. If you want best video recording, yes, I like it. Stable software, yes, I like it. And premium ecosystem, yes, I like it. And then the Honor Magic 8 can be the winner if you need huge battery life, faster charging, and more zoom. and the hardware specs. And now it's your turn. Would you pick the Team iPhone or go to Team Honor? Tell it in the comments, please. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.